If I was starting up on Upwork today, these are the 3 things I would do to make my first $1,000 as soon as possible. Alright, so yeah, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anointed Cletus. If you've not hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. We talk about freelancing, Upwork, and all of that. So, without wasting of time and all of this, I'll go straight to the point. There are 3 things you need to do if you want to make money on Upwork. A lot of you guys have been messaging me on WhatsApp and so many other places asking me, how do I get started? Or I have a skill, I don't know how to monetize it. This is exactly what you need to do. The number one thing you need to do is go and learn a skill. Because if you don't have a skill, go and learn a skill. And the skills you need to learn are not deep, like they're not generalized. You need to learn high demand skills. The first skill I recommend is learning video editing, which was the one that I actually did. So you need to learn a skill. I recommend video editing, social media management. You can do web design, graphic design. Yes, if you already have these skills, I'll show you what to do next. But if you don't have these skills, go and learn them. And when I mean learning a skill, I don't just mean saying, okay, I edit TikTok videos, I do video editing. No. Can you pay yourself for your skill? Can you pay yourself? Can you pay yourself $10, $20, $100? You want to come and charge people $10, $20, $50, $1,000? But can you actually pay yourself for your skill? The truth is that if you cannot pay yourself that amount for your particular skill, nobody will pay you that amount. Yes. So I need you to go and improve your skill. How do you improve on your skill? Go on YouTube. You're already on YouTube. Search. If you are learning social media management, in fact, I have a video on my channel that break down all of this skill. I'll pin it in this video right here. So just click on it or click on it later or whatever. So I recommend you learn these high demand skills. You can pick video editing. Go on YouTube. Watch tutorials on video editing. Latest tutorials, not old tutorials, because there are different editing styles. There are outdated styles. There are new styles. Same thing web design. Before, I think web design, they do it manually, but now you can use AI. You can design a website in one day. A whole website in one day. You can design an app in one day, a game in one day. I can sell that game for $2,000, $5,000 to one client. Yeah. So go online, watch tutorials that are happening now, and see how you can implement that. So number one, make sure you learn a skill, and don't just learn a skill. Make sure you are very, very good in a skill that you can actually pay yourself. Yes. I've gotten students that they do, I think, web design, and they've gotten clients that pay them up to $10,000. Yeah, one of my students, clients paid him up to $10,000 to design a professional website and all of these things. Yeah. So please go and learn a very, very, very high demand skill and a skill that you can pay yourself for. All right. And another thing with learning a skill is you need to be passionate about that skill. If you don't like anything web design, don't go and learn it. Go and learn the skill you like. Let's say, okay, you're always on social media. You're always on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and all these places, and you understand the platform very well. Let's say you love watching these videos. Now you understand YouTube very, 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 very well. I recommend you go and learn how to edit YouTube videos. Yes, if you're on Instagram, I recommend you edit how to edit short videos. Just things you watch already, things you already consume. There's a likelihood that you would be able to create content that can go viral because you've consumed a lot of viral video. You know the styling, you know what they say, you know how they edit, you know the zooming effect and all those things. Same thing with social media management, same thing with virtual assistants. Go and learn all these skills. All right, now that we're done with learning, the second thing you need to do, like I said, there are 3 things. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a free bonus package. So make sure you watch till the end of this video. I'm going to be giving you a bonus package. So the second thing you need to do is you need to create great portfolio pieces. What did I say? Great ones. I don't mean mediocre ones. Why? Because to get clients on Upwork now, nobody really cares about your years of experience and all these things. All they care about is, can you deliver on the job? If you have 3 months work of experience, but if you can do it very well, who cares your experience? In fact, people lie about it. People can have 1 day experience and say they have 7 years experience. So nobody wants to be deceived. We want to see your work. So let me use video editing as an example. Permit me for being biased, but it applies to every other skill. Let me use video editing for example now. Let's say you learn video editing and you want to get a client on Upwork. I recommend that you create a good editing sample. This is what I mean. You can pick a video on YouTube that is not edited. Let me see my video now. You can pick this video now and edit it very well. Like, put in your best editing. Remember, you watched YouTube tutorials. Those tutorials you watch now, practice it. Edit it very well. Make it look good. Make it your best. Put in the effort. And what I'm saying put in the effort is because when you make great portfolio pieces, you're going to be using it forever. Permit me for using the word forever, but you get my point. For a long period of time, you can change it as your skill upgrade. but you'll be using it for a very, very long period of time. So actually putting the effort, And I think there are two ways of doing this portfolio thing. When you create your great portfolio sample, let's say, okay, if you're a voiceover artist now, you can create voiceovers for maybe a YouTube channel or whatever. You should know how to do it. If you're a voiceover artist, a social media manager, you should know what to do. Yeah. So after creating it, you can open a Google Drive folder and then upload all your things there, or you can create a portfolio website. I have a YouTube video where I showed you how to create a portfolio website. I'll pin it again. You can click on it to watch it and get all of that. So you need to know how to create a portfolio. You need to know how to create great portfolios. Portfolios are like results. Yeah, they are results you show your clients to tell them, okay, I can do this skill. I can get you this results. You want me to create a flyer for you? These are the flyers I've created. You want me to create a YouTube thumbnail for you? These are the thumbnails I've made and they've gotten this amount of views. Yeah, speaking of portfolios, for beginners, you might not have any clients. So you might be like, if I don't have clients, how can I create a sample? What I will recommend you do is that you go and create a demo sample. You don't need to wait to have a client. If you're a video editor, just cut any clip, cut Mr. Beast clip, cut Alex Omozi clip, cut any YouTuber's clip, edit the video, put it in Google Drive. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you're a virtual assistant, okay, I don't really know how that works. So if you're a social media manager, go and grow a social media page. You can use viral videos from anywhere. Just copy the viral videos, post them in this thing. You can give them credit. Let's say you go on Instagram, get viral videos, right? Let's say videos with 10 million views. You download them, go on TikTok, post them. Then you can give credit and say, okay, I collected it from Instagram. But just try to grow a page. You understand? So when you show your clients, you tell them, okay, I can do this. Let me use myself as an example now. This channel has 4,000 subscribers now. Let's say I have a client that's struggling to get up to 1K subscriber. And I'm like, okay, I've grown my channel to over 4,000 subscribers and I know how to do it. And if I show my channel, it's easier than me just telling them, okay, I can do it without showing proof. So proof actually matters. It's very, very, very important. Another thing again, before I jump to the third point, let me go back to the first point. In the first point, I say learn a skill, bar. Now, after you've learned the skill, let's say you pick a skill. Let's say you pick video editing now. I want you to specialize. Don't say I do video editing, social media management, copywriting, graphic design. Nobody wants to hire a generalist. Imagine you go to a doctor now and the doctor say, I do eye surgery, mouth surgery, brain surgery, ear surgery, hand surgery. And let's say something is happening with somebody's brain. The person will be like, hey, no. When somebody say the only thing I do is brain surgery, I've been doing it for 30 years. Who would you trust? Of course, you trust the other guy that's been doing this for a long time. So please focus on one skill. Don't jump from skills to skill. Yeah, please don't jump from skills to skill. So that's by the way. So number one, pick a skill and learn it very well. Number two, build great portfolio pieces and then put it in Google Drive or create a portfolio website. Also, if you're on Upwork, you need to upload these portfolio samples in your actual profile. Now, coming to profile, upload them in your profile. In fact, that leads me to point number three. Point number three is create amazing profiles. This is what helps you land clients. See, if you can create amazing profiles, you don't even need to apply for jobs. People begin to invite you. That's what happened to me. I stopped applying for jobs. Actually, now my account is kind of blocked and all of that. But when I was on Upwork, I stopped applying for jobs. I stopped applying for jobs. Why? Because I was getting clients. Clients were coming to me. My profile was optimized and it was showing in the search bar. So if they search for video editor or short form video editor, my face will show because I optimized it. I have videos on my channel, a lot of videos. I have courses, free courses on this channel. Click on it, get all of that. But if you want an in-depth lesson where you know exactly how to create a profile, I actually have a course. Clear. I broke that down. If you want more details on the course, just message me on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop my number below or a word.link that you can click to go on WhatsApp and talk to me. Okay, guys, my camera actually died when I was in that shameless marketer. Okay, so what was I saying? You need to have a great profile. You need to have a great profile. And how do you do this? Number one, what you need to do is that you need to take a beautiful profile picture. And there are links to doing this thing. Okay, take a beautiful profile picture first. Don't snap with your dog. Don't snap in a dark room. Just take a beautiful profile picture. Some of you already have profile pictures already, so just make it professional and smile. Don't frown your face. Don't do like this. Don't do like this. Take a beautiful profile picture. And just in case you want an example, just go to is it PR or PRP? Okay, maybe I'll drop the link below. There's a website that can actually help you guys show you how to take the picture and all of that. All right, so after taking the picture, you need to put a good background behind you. Just a plain background. You can use hash as I have here, or white or blue, whatever. Just make sure you are smiling in the picture and it's your head to your shoulder, just like this. All right. After snapping the picture, the next thing you need is a job title or profile job title. So I actually shared all of this in my course, but I'll be giving you guys for free. I'll be giving you for free today. This is how to create a beautiful job title that actually helps you rank in Upwork, in the Upwork SEO. All you need to do is go and look for other freelancers' profile. Freelancers that are making $5,000, $10,000 and above. Look for their profile in your niche. After you find their profile, copy their job title. You can get like 10 of them. Copy their job title and go to ChatGPT, that's AI, and tell AI to help you write a unique job title with reference to these other ones. So don't just copy somebody's job title. Go and tell AI to help you spin it a little bit and make it more catchy. Do you understand? Yes, make it more catchy. Yeah, there are many of these tricks we have I had in my course. If you're interested, you can message me. So, but I'll be giving you all of this for free. So, if you give you a new job title, and then you can use it on your profile, it's the same method for job description. Just get people that are already making money on the platform. Copy their job description, go and give it to ChatGPT, Grok AI, any AI you like. Then tell it to write your own unique one. Make sure your job title is not too long. And make sure you have a call, your job description is not too long. And make sure you have a call to action at the end of it. That's telling them message me and all of that. So now, after you have job title, job description, the next thing is skills tab. In the skills tab, don't joke with this tab. It's very, very important. In fact, when people want to hire you, they search the skills online. They search the skills on Upwork. And those skills, when they see your skills are relevant, you will rank easily. So what you need to do is go and look for people that are already making it on Upwork. Check their skills tab, copy it, tell AI. AI will give you your own skills tab. Put it inside. Clear? Clear. After skills tab, the next thing you need is portfolios. Portfolios. You know, I'm not even talking about reviews now, because some of you are saying, I need reviews to get clients. You don't need reviews to get clients. Every Upwork user, every freelancer on Upwork that started without reviews. So how did they do it? You can do it too. You can. You don't need reviews. You just need to optimize your profile. Yeah. So I have clients. I have students, rather. I have students that started without reviews and got clients. Some got $9 jobs, some maybe $100 jobs and all of that. One, I think she was doing sales. The first day she enrolled in my course, in less than 24 hours after applying it, she actually got an invite. She said she did not have money to apply for Connect, but she got an invite for a sales job. All right, so now that all this is said and done, I am persuaded in me that if you apply these three tactics, trust me, you'll be able to get clients in less than 90 days. Yeah. So, like, for all of you guys that watched to the end, I have a bonus for you. The bonus is that I created a free guide that can help you get started on Upwork. If you want more information, I documented a lot of things. In fact, I also put in my secret cover letter template. I put it in the free guide. So if you want that, just click on the first link in the description and you can get the free guide, no payment, nothing. You just get it, apply it, learn all the skills, all the high demand skills. I mentioned them there, everything I mentioned them there for you guys. And it's easy to read, it's easy to understand, and it's very, very short. And you can get started with that. All right, thank you very, very much. And for those of you guys that are really interested in the course, you want to get to know Upwork better, you want to save yourself time, energy, and resources, you want a system that can produce you $5,000, $10,000, and all of these things, you can click on the WhatsApp link or the WhatsApp number and message me, and I'll give you guys more information on that. Okay, one more thing for you guys that are still around. I don't know. Please help me recommend. I don't know what's wrong with my face. So if you know any skincare routine that can help me, freshen up this face, just drop it in the comments below. I would really appreciate it. I know this is not a skincare channel, but I care about you guys, and please care about me to help me. So if you know anything, whether it's herbal, whether it's homemade, whether it's whatever that can help, just drop it in the comments below and I'll be glad to talk to you guys and see how we can help one another. And if you have any other question about Upwork, you want me to do any other video and all of these things, just drop it in the comment below. I will reply to your comments and I'll plan on making a video like this about this certain thing for you guys. If it require me to go on my laptop, show you one or two things practically, I can also show you with that also. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all. I have a lot of videos on my channel. You can check any one of them about Upwork. And please, if you have testimonials, reviews, use my video and it goes clients on Upwork, please send them to me. My WhatsApp number is below. Send it testimonials to me. I will really, really appreciate it. My joy is to see you guys succeed. My joy is to see you make progress. My joy is to see you get clients and make money on Upwork. And that's about it for now. I love you guys. Take care and I'll see you later. Bye. Bye for now.